girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating.
So guys, I'm going to be starting this vlog here. So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ria and I'm a lifestyle content creator living in Ireland. If you see my face for the very first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. So just in case you're hearing any noise, any other noise like from outside, so I am my both friends, Grace and Faith. You guys should already know them on this channel. We decided to go for like a weekend kind of you know trip and just relaxation, staycation kind of thing. So we decided to go for it like in another city that's not their city or my city, just like a different feel, like a different kind of environment and all those kind of things. So we are at the place currently. I am at the place at the moment because it's kind of like a little bit further from where they are coming from, so it's like closer to my city. So I decided to come in earlier on to like get us a place that we already booked for, and then kind of like pay up for it, just kind of like have like a weekend staycation vibe, relaxation kind of thing. So that's why you're seeing like a different background. So I'm going to be beginning this vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. Okay, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, that's it. So beginning from the door, actually, like this is just the door, and then this is like where you keep your key card for the room. So when you step into the room, you kind of like see this this little, I don't know, maybe like a storage. So hangers are also here, so I think like a mini kind of closet where you kind of like hang your dresses or like your jackets. So after here, you come here, moving over to this place, you see the mirror, and then over to this door here is like the bathroom door. But before we go here, I'll just show you guys the rest of the room. So beginning from the table here, after like the mirror, I think this is what we have. They left us with like cups and a kettle, and then coffee, milk, sugar, and all those kind of things. And there's like a telephone here as well, and there's like the remote, and also what's this, like this travel package to let you know that your room is being sanitized for your comfort and stuff. And then these are like the other key cards for Faith and Grace. Okay, coming over here is also like another mirror as well. So like this is the second mirror in the room, and then there is this chair here, there is one there, and then this is another one. So moving over to the bed, this is the bed. It's like one double bed, and then the other one is the single one. So yeah, this is the single bed, and then that's my box, that's my bag, that's my phone, this is the towels they dropped for us. And yeah, this is the double bed. And what's even happening, I don't think it's so exciting like that. Anyways, I actually like this bed frame because I'm sure everybody should guess why already, because it's made of wood. And then there is this very design here. So guys, Grace is here, and Faith, come and say hi. Hi. We are finally complete now, so at least this place will be feeling like home. We're about to eat. We actually got food. We actually want to eat. What's the time? I think it's like almost 11 p.m. or so. So we're actually about to eat, and then we'll just chill out and see what we can do for the rest of the day.
Even the night.
Yeah.
The night is still young.
The night is still young.
And so the night is still
daydreaming. Feels like I'm fading away. And I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel?
I saw her Hi! Hi guys, good morning. So hi guys, it's the next day right now. We're just waking up. As you can see, we're still like on the bed. I'm still actually on the bed. We have like a lot of things actually planned for today, and it's like 7 a.m. already. So we just need to get up, kind of like have our bath, dress up, and then just start our day. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog.
I wanna run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. I wanna run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Ride with you, run away. Just run away and leave this world behind us. Run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Run away.
So guys, we just finished having breakfast now, and then it was actually so good. So the next item that we have on our to-do list would be to go to we're going to have a boat ride today. We're going for a boat cruise today, and that's where we're actually headed to at the moment. We haven't been to this place before, like it's even like in a different county from where we actually came to stay for this weekend trip. But yeah, we'll just take you guys along, and then just hopefully you have fun.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Piel a piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad, yeah. Aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ya son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Yeah, yeah, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl, yeah. Tú mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Piel a piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah.
So guys, sorry that I haven't actually been talking so much in this vlog, but we just actually finished the boat cruise. It was actually nice. How was your boat cruise ride?
See my hair. Sign of
How was your
huge
boat
fall.
cruise ride? I actually liked that. I
It was
really did like it. It was very
Yeah.
quiet. It was
My hair
like
starter.
for an hour anyways. And it was actually like my very first boat cruise. Yeah. So we're actually just going home now to just chat and then just relax and just get ready for our evening outing by 6. A friend is coming to pick us up for like a go-karting session. So we'll just have that and probably maybe go to the movies. We have some other things planned. And yeah, we'll just take you guys along. So yeah, sorry I haven't been talking so
Stay
much in the
tuned.
vlog. I decided to just come in here and do like a quick update with you so far how our day is going before I forget.
Much later.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need.
This is what we're looking at, okay? These are all the laps that you guys complete over here. Cart number is up here. Average lap, fastest lap is the one I'm going to mark. Who is in cart number 13? Young lady, you started off your first lap. You started off 3 minutes after 47. You eventually got down on lap number 9 to 131.5. So you're just a little bit quicker than the young lady behind you, okay? Cart number 10. Is that you?
Yep.
Okay, you started off with a 127, then a 134. That's actually getting slower. How's that possible?